Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a transparent watermark on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select text and add in a default text here. And then I'm also going to add a green screen. Actually, let me just go and select original first. And I'm going to add a green screen behind that. And on the text I'm just going to type in watermark. And I'm going to make the green screen a little bit longer. I'm also going to go to the text. I'm going to select the text and I'm going to change the font. And I'm going to scroll down until I find shadow, and I'm going to adjust the opacity. You can adjust the blurriness here, the distance as well, and also the angle. And then I'm going to select both, right click, create compound clip. Select the video that you want to add the watermark to. And I'm also going to change the format to its original format, which is 9:16. I'm going to select the watermark and put it where I want it, for instance here. And I'm going to go to blend mode and I'm going to choose overlay. Actually, let me just go to cutout first. So go to cutout, select chroma key, select the green bit and adjust the strength to 100 and also the shadow to 100. Then go to basic and then go to blend mode and then choose overlay. And that is basically it. As you can see, the watermark is kind of transparent. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!